Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. You're very much welcome. Igama lami uphilile, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungijoine, ngicela like video, subscribe, share, wenze konke right. Okay, sizokhula si channel. So ke bafethu, kule videos uthanda ngikhulume ngodade uLulu Menziwa, ngiyabona ukuthi hayi ngathi kuningi ngodade. ULulu Menziwa, you guys, abamjwayele on social media obizwa ukuthi sexy mistress. ULulu Menziwa, she's an educator. She's a teacher. Ansakwazi lapha ukuthi is she teaching a primary school or a high school? ULulu Menziwa ngimaze kakhulu nje ngesikhathi sakhe inimbi, the Zimbabwean rich guy who passed away, kuthiwa okay, she was once Ginimbi Don, okay, sexy mistress. Ubizwa nje ka sexy mistress kodwa ke she's an educator, man. She's an Instagram queen. Into ezikanjalo bafethu ke, yeah man. So udaba lwamvanje, you guys, uLulu Menziwa ngathi uye wathola indoda, right? Le ndoda le ewe kuthiwe ubani uXaba, I think uSthabo Xaba, if I'm not mistaken, that is the guy. Kodwa kuningi shem. So lo Thabo Xaba, I hope I've got the right name. This is Thabo Xaba, because unkosikazi walobhuti yena uHope Xaba, and yeah, I think the guy is uThabo ngempela. So uLulu ke wasethola uThabo Xaba owamchaza yena ngokuthi baza nekudala mhlambe besakhula ntontona ngazi, kodwa ke lo bhuti ube usashadile namanje, right? Kodwa ngathi baba nenkinga nonkosikazi wakhe uHope Xaba, base beya separate. Ku separation yabo sibone kuba nomsindo thizeni kuma videos, kuba khona uLulu Menziwa in the middle of the situation. Abantu bathi uLulu Menziwa kushuthi nguyohlukanise uHope Xaba nalo bhuti. uLulu Menziwa wabuye wathi hayibo akusiyimi ngithole vele behlukene, mhlawumbe bekusase nomsindo khona kodwa bevele beseparate lo baba lona nenkosikazi yakhe uHope Xaba, something like that. Kwase kuba ke noLulu Menziwa in the middle of the situation. uLulu ke ngoba yena ke umuntu opostayo, mina ngiyacabanga lo daba ngilwaze ngoba uLulu epost ayaposta kuLulu ay live nkosami enza ama live, and kulawo ama live nje hayi ngeke uLulu yaqala ukuthandana noma kanjani yini inkinga kaLulu Menziwa, because uzothi like she's giving me like those teenage vibes, imjolo thizeni lokho ama teenagers kwabona ukuthi like mawuqala ukuthandana nomuntu vele nje umuntu wami indoda yami ile kukwami ele kwami. That time leyo ndoda le isafake iring yomunye umfazi. uLulu Menziwa uthandana lo bhuti ubeke nje iring yomunye umfazi yalo sisi ngoba abakahlukani. Nange sembiza ngomfazi wephepha, ubusy nje lapha nombiza ngomfazi wephepha. Hayi lo mfazi wephepha kunama clips ke ngizowadlala, mhlambe ngizowahlanganisa abe mabili lama clips, siwadlale ke simuzwe lapha uLulu ebusy epepereta. She's always like kind of like akhuluma ngalo sisi. Mina nje kusiya ngami kube uLulu does not talk about lo sisi lona ngoba anti yena uthandane nobhuti. ubhuti wathi umshado wakhe bahlulekile, sebehlukene like ngokwempilo, but ephepheni abakahlukani lo bhuti nenkosikazi yakhe. So manje yena ngoba usekhona in the middle of the situation, ngoba yena ngusisi we social media, hayi sekuningi esikwazi, kuningi, and uLulu is busy saying a lot, akhulume ngoHope. Ikhona iclip yakhe yaba khona muvanje lapha na besemotweni uLulu nalo bhuti wasoqhamuka lo yasisi ke bengathi this big chat whatever bathethisana yona lento enjalo bafethu. Angazi usisi wayethini ke lapha uLulu naye ngabe pendula on that particular clip. Iyona into eyenza ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uLulu ungene nje kulolu thando lolu esasekhona uHope, ngoba wayesenza lapha bangabe mhlawumbe wayese separate nobhuti. Mhlambe kunalento ukuthi ngoba banezingane, I think thoba nezingane ezimbili mhlambe babonana usisi noLulu base bexatshaniswa yini mangabe uLulu akafikanga ngesikhathi usisi sasekhona. Into yenza ukuthi manje bebe nokuthukana and all that kwenziwa yini angazi bafethu kuningi, but let us play these clips ezaka uLulu Menziwa ebhize khuluma kuningi nje ngoba before siya kuma clips kwakukhulunywa ngodaba lokuthi uLulu Menziwa uye wa move in kule ndlu le yalobhuti ayishare nalo mama. Like he's a married guy kunendlu, uma behlukana nosisi uyahamba kodwa indlu isabelonga to lo sisi lona nendoda yakhe. Bese uLulu yena as a girlfriend uyomove in kule yandlu le afike arenovate abantu bathi uLulu urenovate indlu yomunye umfazi wa renovate ugele ikhona nje lapha eclipini ethi mina ngikwazi phela ukhala endlini emaharhara ngoba mina phela ngolulu menziwa you know so kwamele nje you know indlu yehlala uLulu Menziwa ibe ngathi you know something like that. But anyway, let us go to those clips.
I'm celebrating my engagement with me when I ufuna online ulekuthiwa uwife utag ngomfazi wephepha lezophela njengekudala le bali inyanga from now just start counting down inyanga sibone lo phepha lozobe likuphi. I don't need her to respect me. Angifuna umuntu angijwayele kabi. You akho umuntu obound ukuthi angirespect. You respect me, don't respect me, but then don't come again and insult me. No. Don't. When I get fusek njandina concern ne fake account ya block irrelevant from 2019 uyabona nje ngoba nayaziwa nje ama followers akhe ayakhupha ku Instagram it's because uLulu Menziwa is involved because she's so relevant. If I was not relevant, you guys were not going to talk about me. You guys were not going to be here listening what I'm saying we live. You guys were not going to screen recording me what I'm saying we live. Nifaka my blog wins, my blog saying ukube angekho relevant. Futhi I'm relevant. You like it, you don't like it, I'm relevant. Jandini, ngiseng ukublockile. Always in makeup. Awume kahle awumuhle. Futhi wena sengikublockile futhi. How does Thabo feels about your lives? That's my life. He found me doing lives, Instagram live since, and that has nothing to do with our relationship or him or me in his life. This has to do with me. This is Lulu Menziwa, and I've been like this. I didn't start going live yesterday. I've been. So you like it, you don't like it. It's up to you. And you look great, loving the birthday glow. Thank you, my babe. Actually, it's my pregnancy. Ingane ingenza ngiglowish, yes, guys. He even accompanied him to court for divorce. Call uHope shem uvelele. Landiwe indoda yam. So la yakhona ngiyakhona. So please, sila eNewcastle ngibheka ngamasipala sila eNewcastle. Because I'm staying there. If I was not staying there, I was not gonna be like, but now I'm there and I cannot be endlini emaharahara mina. You know, like I want to take a house. Even if the house, the divorce, I actually will be so happy because if I will continue staying in that house, which means we will have to spend a lot of money trying to renovate that house. It's a lot that needs to be renovated. So if the divorce can happen now and or we can go and buy our own house and I will be so happy. It's what I want actually. So I'm looking forward for that. I'm not going to say divorce, you know. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed to see soon because I can't wait. Yo, guys, I can't move in within the why am someone move in with me? It's like, no, I can't stay with you in your house. You know, come stay with me. You know how men they are because I'm in love, guys. Cause congratulations, thank you, mommy. Because people they always feel like in the yami nginayo angimela ngabe ngibe nayo baqamba manga bathi mina ngabreak umuzi wabantu into abangazazi abangibiza ngaso yabo nje ngicela amasimba la. So I don't want to expose my pregnancy kule negativity. Yabo nje ukube indoda yami angizange noma ngiqala ngithi ngijala nobani ngikhuluma negative ngayo angeke ngizoba nje yo nathi ngitshela sisami ngqokela kahle yababa fama legging ngathi ama boots ngathi phorone amangidile abantu ajika na ayi lapho ke angisheki kanje ukuthi ayesix futhi azokudliwa no baby daddy ekhona ngizama ukuthi ayesix futhi ezokondliwa ayibo ezokondliwa guys ubaba wengane uyasebenza umama engane uyasebenza. So I don't see a problem lapha. And I is too much. Okay, babe. Turning fully 32. I'm so excited. But anyway, yes. My man wangibuza wathi ufuna for your birthday. Hey, ngoba ngululu Menziwa guys. Ngathi ngifuna inwele. Inwele zakhona zu 15,000.
chats engiwabonayo lana on Facebook, I think uHope Xaba kukhona abantu abanokuthi basebe mhlambe bese be DM lo mama obe unkosikazi kaThabo Xaba mhlambe bekhulume ngaye malana ngoLulu Menziwa ngoba ikhona le chat ethi yona I think ubuye waphosa uHope Xaba ukuthi abanye abantu basuke sebemhlukumeza ke ngale kuma DMs bemtshela ngolulu, right? Ukhona obekhulume noHope Xaba wathi wena ulahliwe, just accept it. The man is gone forever now. Uhambe noThisha. Move on. Using his surname is embarrassing. You even what? More. He's married to another woman here. Wasephendula ke uHope Xaba wathi manje yini wena le kuthukuthelisa kangaka ngoba yimi olahliwe phela. So ngabantu laba aba wrong kodwa nabo, you know. And then omunye uthi your husband just got married yesterday to Lulu. How are you still using his surname? Then waphendula ke umama lo wathi awukahle bo uzoze uthi create fake accounts impela angithi nawe uyasho ukuthi my husband. You know why guys, she can't just change surname. uHope Xaba she can't just change surname ngoba phela basashadile ngokwephepha. Kumele la kubaze ba divorce and then she can change her name. In the meantime, no matter ke lo bhutile ese no Lulu sizwe ukuthi ba engaged whatever, still uzohlala uHope Xaba until ba divorce fully, right? Bese sengasusa ke lesibongo saka Xaba ke abuyele kwesakhe, the way I understand, right? So kulaba mhlukumeza bemtshela ngolulu guys, ni wrong bafethu. You know yini eyenzekayo, lo bhutile lo use engaged to uLulu Menziwa. Sibone lapha na kuthebe kuyibirthday yakhe ngizolahlela this clip, maybe ngizoyimute bese ngilahlela on my screen. On this particular clip ke kuthiwa ke bekuyibirthday kaLulu Menziwa and then ubhuti wa ngazo proposal because simbona emgqokisini ndandatho on her birthday. Ingakho nje sebhizi epepereta kakhulu uLulu Menziwa uyapepere indoda yam is something like that. Use engaged lo bhuti kuLulu Menziwa yet akaka divorce no Hope Xaba. Ineyibona bafethu ukuthi hayi sambatheka ke yonke le. Kwenzeka yini bafethu ukuthi ube engaged komunye umfazi ngapha ungaka divorce lo munye? Is that even possible? Asikaze sishade bafethu, we do not know. Mhlambe kuyenzeka ngoba nangu ukwenzile lo baba lona. I mean I'm not understanding, hey? I'm not understanding, but as for manje, uHope Xaba she's a quiet girl. uLulu Menziwa she's a too much pepperizing one. Social media, uyenzi live, talking, and for me, I really wish kube uya exclude lo munye umfazi. Alright, sekuthethe wena sisi, sizwilele kwenye clip ememezana ukuthi she's now pregnant. She's now pregnant and use engaged kalokhu use nguye phela uMrs Xaba. Okay, manje ususesithenjini ke dade because manje uHope Xaba bakamdivorce. Sebe engage uLulu, ujahile kuba nguMrs Xaba. Kunesithombe lapha na sibhaliwe nakho la siphose uye futhi uLulu Menziwa lapha ngasicelo keMargen Bean kuthiwa Mrs Thabo Xaba. Yethi kusase nomunye uMrs Thabo Xaba noma yena embiza ngomfazi wephepha uleke busy emhlasela athi angitshele ngalomfazi wephepha. Hayi guys, kodwa fundisana uLulu Menziwa akwenziwa kanjalo bafethu. Noma ngabe usuyitholile indoda usuyithathile musa ke kodwa lokhu uhlasele lo munye. Angithi usalinde it's a process idivorce, ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's a process. Naye uthola ukuthi akathandi ukubele kongakaXaba kumanje, but because abaka divorce fully there's nothing she can do. Kuzomela linde ba divorce fully then ebese ngabuyela kusibongo sakhe. You know what I mean? Ukuthi akathande ngoba the way sezwa ngakhona usisi nguye washiya uThabo Xaba, not the other way around. And uLulu Menziwa the way amchomela ngakhona lo Hope Xaba, yazi umchomela senze sengathi ubhuti nguyena walaqaza uHope Xaba, kanti uHope nguye owaba fed up wasekhathele ngemsebenzi yalo bhuti wamshiya. Shule kumshiyeni kwakhe kwasokungena uLulu Menziwa. Ngiyacabanga ngelesikhathi betrenda last kwakuthiwa ke lo bhuti uyazama ukuya kunkosikazi wakhe ayozincengela. Kusho ukuthi lo bhuti uyeloke elandelela ubani unkosikazi wakhe zama ukuyoncenga khona bese befika beyaxabana bese kuba khona uLulu Menziwa in the middle of the situation. Sho le ntombazane iyakhuluma izihlafuni endoda yami angazi udlala nokudlala yo Lulu Menziwa. Can you just calm down? The way enza ngakhona guys, I'm even wondering ukuthi uzolasta yini lo engage wakhe because I ngeke bafet no. So this Lulu Menziwa girl guys kuthiwa ke upregi uyamemezela yena wathi pregnancy yakhe wathi ngoba nami bengisangabazi ukuthi pregnant, but anyways she did announce ukuthi pregnant. Wabuya sabona ke lapha na engage kusisa angazi sibona phela befaka indandatho kusho ukuthi ngeke kube igame, kusho ukuthi she's now engaged with this guy yet uGuy akaka divorce fully noHope Xaba basashadile. Kodwa ke umsindo kaLulu Menziwa this other side yo lo bhuti userious ukuthi into yakhe noLulu Menziwa is going somewhere. Is he even serious ukuthi he's got something here noLulu Menziwa? Because the way aphape ngakhona udad yo, she's an educator, she's a teacher, like hayi ngeke noma sotha usuyithathile indoda komunye umntwana. Don't do. Does she even follow mhlambe uMihlali Ndamase? Does she even follow uMihlali Ndamase abone ukuthi kwenzekana uMihlali Ndamase the way atreata ngakhona uMary Jane ngesikhathi ethola uLeroy? uMihlali Ndamase wayengathi namaphiko engathi uzofly emoyeni ethola uLeroy sidambe. Where are they today? Ezinye izinto guys, you just have to learn. Ulene nje ngomunye umntwana, ulene nje lesson through omunye umntwana umbone ukuthi hey madoda lapha naziyabuya. Noma ngabe senginayo umuntu ke sengimthatha kulo muntu omhlambe ngimthole shiyo ngomunye umuntu. I don't have to do that. Yabona uMihlali wayesenze njalo uMary Jane, membonile uMary Jane. Did you see that, you guys? This is what Lulu Menziwa is now doing. She's doing the very same thing that was done by uMihlali. Yo guys, nizomtshela noma mhlambe nizomtshela uLulu Menziwa mhlambe phela she doesn't follow Mihlali. She needs to calm down. Yet yena she is pregnant. Mihlali never got pregnant. Yet yena ke uthi pregnant mesitshela. Yo ikukhona i-video where uHope Xaba was kind of like saying, I think he allegedly though, I think she was saying lo bhuti lona uyashayana ngoba wayesakhuluma ukuthi usazokubhaxuza nawe entonto uthando malusalusha ngithi bangeke abakakufaka isibhaxo. Kusiya ngesikhathi lento eyabalekwa uHope Xaba ngiyanitshela uLulu Menziwa naye sazoyibaleka. Ngangizwa kule video thizeni, angazi noma ngizoyithola yini ngilahlele la mayikhuluma ukuthi ethi nawe usazokubhaxuza mhla ezokushaya something like that. Bafethu I think lo bhuti unesandla, but allegedly he's a man of God. Ungumuntu angazi lapha asonta khona, ungumfundisi upastor noma ke uyini kodwa umuntu okhonzayo allegedly sounds like. But i-drama ekhona ngaye, it's unlike the church man, you know, it doesn't match like the church man. But anyways angazi bafethu kodwa ke abaphila noLulu Menziwa abathi kumkhuza kancane akuyona indlela kumele wenze ngayo izinto ngoba nakho indoda inawe and nakhona nina few months ninonke already sewenza kanje. Are you even going to last? The whole fasting akhona yazi udade uhamba ngo180. She is so fast, too much pepper raising, too much insults to uHope Xaba. uHope Xaba, she remains the mother of the kids of this man. Uzohamba boreke lo bhuti ukuthi this is how you treat the mother of my children. Boreke. You know what I mean? Bese ayakujikela girl. Don't be a Mihlali. Do you want to be a Mihlali? Hey, I feel sorry for her. But angazi bafethu. If you follow comment section or like video, subscribe, share. Siyabonana kwenye landelayo. Bye.